For today's recipe, let's make a Sri Lankan canned fish curry, also known as jack mackerel curry. To make this fish curry, you will need the following ingredients: 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 large onion sliced fine, 4 cloves of garlic sliced, a sprig of curry leaves, 1-inch cinnamon piece, a 2-inch piece of pandan leaf, 1 large tomato chopped, 2 green chilies sliced, half to 1 teaspoon of chili powder depending on how spicy you want the curry to be, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon regular curry powder. If you can find Sri Lankan curry powder, it would be ideal. If not, use a regular curry powder. Half a cup of coconut milk. If you need more gravy, add 1 cup of coconut milk. 1 large can of jack mackerel. To make the canned fish curry, first open the can and drain the fish brine and set it aside. Place a pan over medium heat and pour in the oil. Let the oil heat for a few seconds and then add curry leaves, cinnamon, pandan leaf and cook for a few seconds. Add onions, garlic, tomatoes, green chilies and cook all these tempering ingredients for 3 minutes. Once the onions turn soft, add turmeric, red chili powder, pepper and the curry powder. Saute for a few seconds and let the ingredients turn slightly brown. As you cook the spices, use your spoon to soften and break down the tomatoes. At this point, to avoid burning the spices, reduce heat to low. To make this semi-liquid spice paste, it will take you less than 10 minutes. Once the spice paste is cooked, pour in the coconut milk. Leave it to slow simmer over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes, covered or uncovered. Season with salt. Once you notice the fish gravy thickening and changing color, gently add the canned fish chunks to the gravy. If the fish chunks are large, break them into smaller pieces. Once you add the fish chunks, you can also add in more chili powder or more curry powder for a robust taste. Avoid stirring with a spoon as much as possible. Instead, gently swirl the pan for a few seconds to stir. Cook over low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. If you find that the gravy is too thick for your taste, simply add half a cup of water to thin it and cook for another 5 minutes more. And this is your Sri Lankan canned fish curry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new today. You can always contact me through commenting here or my blog islandsmile.org. I'll see you again with another great recipe.